Welcome to Express Inn and Suites Ontario. We are conveniently located budget accommodation near Ontario International Airport and the Ontario Convention Centre. While staying at our Ontario Budget Hotel, guests enjoy free high-speed internet, an outdoor swimming pool, free parking, laundry service, vending machine, and clean, comfortable, newly remodeled rooms to get you energized and make your stay with us memorable. Our hotel is surrounded by famous Ontario attractions like Golden Oak Park, Plains of Fame Air Museum, and Ontario Convention Centre within 10 miles radius. There are several great restaurants in the area where you can unwind after a day of exploring. When you stay at Express Inn and Suites Ontario, you'll know you've made the right choice. Please visit www.expressinontario.com to book.